Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see a super Instagram trick to see your favorites feed separately. It's so useful to a lot of us to see only the favorites feed on by using this trick on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to see the Instagram favorite feed on your Instagram? So first of all, open your Instagram account. After adding your favorite is on here, you just click on this home page section. It's actually hidden. You just need to open it. Click on home page, click on the Instagram logo on the top. You will see these two options, followings and favorites. You just click on this favorites. You can see every post that you added. Favorites post will be displayed here. You can just scroll down and you can just view all the posts that they have been posted recently. So this is so useful because if you're following 100 of people and you just need to view only a few people, like 10 people as you are close, you can just add to the favorites. Then click on the home section, click on the Instagram app logo on the top. You will see these two options, following and favorites. Click on this favorites and you can just watch it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, and this is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.